student, have you ever tried listing out the type of plants in your garden or in a society? Take a panel paper and start listing out of plants around you. You may know name of some of them. Check whether they are bearing fruits and flowers. What is the shape of the leaves? You will realize that many plants around have some medicinal use. Some of them are used in cooking and some are ornamental plants. The plants world around us is so interesting, isn't it? Let's find out a scientific way to divide these plants into different categories. Why do you need to think that and how can we do that? You were aware that the scientist Robert Whittaker has made this job simple for us. He proposed a system of classification of living organisms and he classified all living organisms in 5 kingdoms. Plants around us to one common group which we called as a plantee, which are multicellular eukaryotes. Do you remember why they are called eukaryotes? Yes, they have membrane-bound cell organelles. Remember, plants are main source of food for us. They have chlorophyll in them and prepare their own food by the process known as photosynthesis. We call as them autotrophic. They are self-sufficient for their food production. Let's quickly refer to the Whittaker charts recovered the position of plants in the system of classification. How can we further divide the plants in more categories so that we understand better? Can we have some checklist to differentiate between the different types? We can also check common characteristics and group them together. Can we check if they bear seeds and what types of the tissue is present for conduction water and food and what types of the seed do they bear and so on. The plants kingdom classified into 2 subkingdoms, cryptogams and phenograms. How do they differ from each other? Cryptogams are seedless plants and phenograms are seed-bearing plants. Eichler, a great botanist, gives this method of classification and more detail about it we will see in the next video.
If you like this video, like, comment or share and to subscribe this channel.